Hey, woodworking enthusiasts! Welcome back to Woodworking Zone. Today, we're diving into a topic many of you have asked for: how to start your own wood business. Buckle up because we've got a step-by-step guide for you. Section 1. Find your niche. First things first, find your niche. Are you into custom furniture, home decor, or perhaps specialty woodcrafts? Identifying your niche will guide your business direction and set you apart in the market. Section 2. Craft a business plan. Now that you know your niche, let's talk business plan. Outline your goals, target audience, budget, and marketing strategy. A solid plan is your roadmap to success. Section 3. Legalities and Permits. Don't skip this step. Check local regulations, get the necessary permits, and register your business. It might seem tedious, but it's crucial for a smooth and legal operation. Section 4. Set up your workshop. Time to create your workspace. Equip it with the tools you need and ensure it meets safety standards. A well-organized and efficient workshop is the heart of your wood business. Section 5. Source quality materials. Your work is only as good as your materials. Establish relationships with reliable suppliers to ensure a steady flow of high-quality wood for your projects. Section 6. Develop an online presence. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is a must. Create a professional website, set up social media accounts, and showcase your work. It's the window to your business for potential customers.
Section 7. Pricing your work. Time to talk money. Calculate your costs, including materials, labor, and overhead. Set competitive yet profitable prices for your products or services. Conclusion. There you have it. A roadmap to kickstart your wood business. Remember, it's not just about creating beautiful pieces. It's about running a successful business. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own business tips in the comments below. Until next time, happy woodworking and best of luck with your new venture. Subscribe to Woodworking Zone.